Everyone wants to be a great parent when they get the chance. What about the animal kingdom, though? Some animals, like the African elephant, the emperor penguin, or the orangutan, are known to be excellent parents. But not all species excel in parenting. For various reasons, some animals frequently kill and even eat their young. Enough talking around it. Let's dive in and see who does it, and more importantly, why. Across the animal kingdom, it's been documented that some animals will not only eat their young, but do so regularly.
Wait, what?
Scientists have several theories as to why animals do this. These include competition for food, preservation of a bloodline, and preservation of energy. The first two of these are pretty straightforward, but the last one may need a little explanation. It's actually quite simple though. Mothers may not have enough food and thus energy to feed their young, so she reduces the size of the litter. However, new evidence shows that maternal hormone levels, maternal age, and even experience with previous offspring may contribute to some of these behaviors. So what are some of the animals that are known to kill their offspring? First up, we have lions. Both male and female lions have been observed killing their cubs. Most scientists theorize that this occurs for different reasons for males and females. For female lions, it's believed to be an issue of food. Female lions will thin the pack because of a scarcity of food. They will kill off the weakest cub so the strongest can have enough to survive and hopefully thrive. Male lions, however, do this most commonly as a way to preserve their bloodline. Male lions will frequently kill the cubs of rivals in hopes that they'll get the chance to mate with the lioness and pass on their bloodline. This drive is what scientists call social dominance activity.
It's something demonic.
Our next entry isn't necessarily mothers killing their offspring, but rather an in utero cannibalism. The sand tiger shark is an interesting example because they have two uteri. The females of this shark will commonly mate with multiple males, and they will carry multiple offspring at one time. However, in utero, the offspring will kill one another until only one is left in each uterus. This means that only the strongest offspring will survive to be born. Not only do the strongest survive, but they actually get stronger through the process. The mother's nutrients are more readily passed on to fewer offspring, meaning the strong get stronger. If you're enjoying this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of the latest content from the Most. They're the most commonly consumed animal protein in the world. What you may not know about chickens is that they frequently kill their own eggs. It's not uncommon for animals like snakes, skunks, raccoons, or even crows to have a bird egg as a primary food source. But what is more rare is birds eating their own eggs. However, that's exactly what happens with chickens. They're not known to be the smartest bird, and this type of behavior won't help them much. Sometimes hens will crush one of their eggs or the eggs of another hen in the coop. This most commonly occurs due to overcrowding. What happens next is nothing short of bizarre. Hens will eat the broken eggshell or the egg and actually develop a taste for it. From there, they actually eat eggs on a regular basis. Most commonly, this happens due to a calcium deficiency. Interestingly enough, a calcium deficiency is what causes the shells to break in the first place. In an attempt to stop this behavior, farmers actually use the chicken's lack of intelligence against it. They will commonly put golf balls or fake eggs in the nest. Chickens are so dumb that they can't tell the difference between a real egg and a golf ball. When they try to eat the fake egg or the golf ball, they instantly realize how hard it is. Eventually, they stop trying. Our last entry is the chimpanzee. Very similar to lions, the reason behind this is control. It happens both between groups and within groups of chimps. These intelligent animals realize that food is often a limited resource, and when groups of chimps fight over territory, it's very common for the young ones to be killed because they're easy targets. What's more is that even within a group of chimps, it's been commonly observed that males will steal an infant out of the arms of the mother and kill it. Scientists believe that this is done in an effort to increase future breeding opportunities. These two activities are fairly common among chimps, but what's less common is females stealing and killing the infants of other females. Scientists are baffled by this activity, however, as there appears to be no clear reason for it. We recognize that this is a bit of a morbid topic, but it's real life. We know that many of you, like us, find this information extremely interesting. What video would you like to see next? Leave a comment below. We post weekly focusing on the best, the worst, and the most amazing content. Until next time.